Hey folks, if you're looking to rejuvenate your face, tighten your skin, and maintain a youthful appearance, or if you're an auntie wanting to look like a smart young lady, then this video is perfect for you. Today, I'm going to share a herbal natural face mask that, when applied, will make your face completely free of wrinkles in just 2 days. This is especially great if you have a lot of fine lines on your face, or for some other reason your face looks like an old man if due to sleep on the face of too much effect up. Then today's video will be excessively important for people. What is in this video, how it will be made, and how we will use it. First of all, you have to subscribe to the Indigenous Health TV channel so that if you keep getting all the videos and updates, then let's make this great face mask of today. I promise you that I will make your skin completely young. I don't know which water you have picked up. This is the juice of the cupboard to make us the juice of the cooker. Cut the cucumber smallly. Then after that we have to add a little water, a little bit of water. And after that this juice of yours will be ready. We took it, then we need rice water. We have to boil the rice. Well, when the boiling will start cooking the rice, then after that we have to take out this rice water. There are both things that make skin too tight and make your feet very young and white too. In the third, friends, people should get cream floor that is base, and this people get from any place. After that, it is a turn, friends. It has to add about half a teaspoon of aloe vera gel to it. If you mix all these ingredients, then you can see that its extension has been ready with us. You will also see how this young will apply on the fee so that nothing is missed. You people have to apply in this way, friends, on your fee. See this? I am applying on my hand and showing it to you people. It's just a demo. You have to tell people that you have to apply. You can apply on your feet, on the neck. Apart from this, you want to make it tight in the place where you want to make it young. You people have to apply it a tired layer up. People have to apply it something like this. For example, I put it on my hand, so you people have to put it on your feet. You people have to leave it 25 to 30 minutes. After that, you people have to wash your feet. What will I do when you people have cleaned it with your own hands, washed it off the feet? Then after that, you people get vitamin E capsules from a market. There is one who eats and one is the planter. Put the drop on your hand and spread it in this way and spread it on your skin with the 2 days guarantee. I am telling you people that the fees you will have will be in front of the result of people. In exactly 2 days your face will be completely tight. Or there are dead particles or whatever it is, dark spots will end it without even. It is a very fantastic thing. If you like it, then quickly subscribe to my channel Desi Health TV. Wait until the next video. Until then, God forbid.